Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to start a new lesson in this video. The name of the lesson is The Kites. It is the second lesson of Unit 5 Culture and Tradition of Purvi text of Class 6. Before going to the explanation of the poem, we can do some activities. See, what is the first one? Let us do these activities before we read. Answer the following questions and share them with your teacher and classmate. And question is, have you ever flown a kite or seen someone flying it? Someone fly it? Yeah, I think almost everybody has flown a kite. सबने पतंग उड़ाया होगा ना? या फिर कम से कम उड़ाते हुए देखा होगा. We must have seen others flying the kite, isn't it? So, where and when? All these we can give it as answer like this. Yes, I have flown a kite during the festival of Makar Sankranti. मकर संक्रांति को हम लोग पतंग उड़ाते हैं ना. At my local park, it was a sunny afternoon and the sky was filled with colorful kites. Here in Kerala, we can see this near the beach and all. But in North India, I know during the vacation and all the children are making kites and flying it. Hmm? So it's not a new thing for it. We can see different colors of kite, different shape kite, we can see different shape, we can see. So all these we can see where the children are very familiar with the kites. No one will say that you have not seen a kite, isn't it? Okay, our next second question is, describe the kite colors, shape, design of tail, any other detail. Now, you might have seen different type of kites. You can say what you have seen. I have written here the kite which I was flying was bright yellow with blue and red patterns. It was having diamond shape and had a long colorful tail made of red and blue ribbons that fluttered in the wind. Fluttered in the wind means उड़ रहा था, हवा में उड़ रहा था. हमको मालूम है ना, पतंग उड़ाते हैं तो उसमें जो हम लोग टेल लगाते हैं, पुश लगाते हैं, वो सब साइड में जो लगाते हैं वो सब कितना हवा में उड़ता रहता है ना. So that is flying, fluttered in the wind. What did you think when you saw the kite up in the sky? When I saw the kite up in the sky, I felt a sense of freedom and joy. खुशी होती है ना, पतंग ऊपर उड़ते हुए देख के अपन को मन में बहुत खुशी फील होता है और लगता है कि हम भी ऐसे पतंग की तरह उड़ 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 के ऊपर जाए, है ना. तो फ्रीडम ऑफ जॉय, फ्रीडम एंड जॉय, freedom and joy. It looked like it was dancing with the wind, soaring above everything below. It was flying up, 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 up in the air, and it was making us feel happiness. What did you think when you saw the kite up in the sky? When I saw the kite up in the sky, I felt a sense of freedom and joy. It looked like it was dancing with the wind, soaring above everything below. So, what is it? When we are up in the sky, when we go up in the sky, what we feel? We feel freedom. Freedom. We are very free and we will be very happy. Even after climbing a tree, we feel the same. ना पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ने पे ऊपर खड़े होकर नीचे देखो तो कैसा लगता है, बहुत खुशी होती है ना, बहुत अच्छा लगता है ऊपर से नीचे देखना, वही फीलिंग होता है. तो इसी तरह पंख अपना पतंग वो ऊपर उड़ रहा होगा तो उसको देख के क्या लगता है, हमारे मन में बहुत खुशी होती है ना. नीचे उड़ता नहीं है तो हमको दुख लगता है, जैसे जैसे ऊपर उड़ता है उससे जैसे हमें खुशी बढ़ती है ना. ओके. Now you see, search the internet for videos on kite festivals and watch them with your teacher and classmates. So there are many videos about this kite festivals. पतंग के जैसे मकर संक्रांति को अपन ज़्यादा ही उड़ाते हैं, तो ऐसा वीडियोस देखो और उसके बाद उसको लिखने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. शेयर द थिंग्स विथ योर टीचर दैट यू सॉ. एंड ये तो आप वीडियो देखिए और फिर आप लिख सकते हैं क्या कैसा लगता है. वुड यू लाइक टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस काइंड ऑफ फेस्टिवल और वाई. सभी लोग ऐसे फेस्टिवल में, ऐसे त्योहारों में हम लोग भाग हिस्सा होना चाहते हैं ना. क्योंकि वो सब लिखना है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ काइट वुड यू लाइक टू फ्लाई, यानी कि किस तरह का पतंग आपको चाहिए उड़ाने के लिए, वो सब आप अपना इच्छा से बोल सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट योर ओन आंसर दैट विच टाइप ऑफ काइट you would like to fly and so and so. Now coming to this, here is a picture. You see, we can see a picture. So look at the picture and complete the sentences. Share your response with your teacher. Now you see a girl is flying a kite, and we can what all things we can see here. Here the words given are windy, kite, flying, birds, sky, looking, has, ribbons. So I have already written the answers. I can see a kite, birds and the sky in the picture. है ना, ये सब दिख रहा है ना हम लोग को. पतंग दिख रहा है, चिड़िया दिख रहा है, आकाश दिख रहा है. The weather in the picture is windy. We can say windy. Why? You see the kite is flying and the tail and all is flying. Huh? It's moving. That means it is a windy season. See the hair of the child. It's not straight. It is looking like flying in the air. The kite is flying high in the sky. The child is looking from below. बच्ची नीचे से ऊपर देख रही है. The tail of the kite has ribbons. इसके पूंछ में क्या है? पतंग का पूंछ किससे बना है? रिबन से बनाया है. Now think and answer. List two more things that you want to add to the picture. इस पिक्चर में और क्या क्या हम लिख सकते हैं? If I were the child, I were the child, यानी कि हम अगर बच्चे होते, that means अभी बच्चे नहीं हैं, है ना, हम अभी 6वीं कक्षा में पहुंच गए. If I were a child, यानी हम छोटे बच्चे होते, हम इमेजिन कर रहे हैं, हम सोच रहे, we are imagining that we are a small child. Then what I can do? I would feel excited and try to fly the kite higher. हम छोटे बच्चे होते तो क्या है, और उड़ाने के हमारे इच्छा होते हैं. We are using no, it's not I was. I was मतलब हम ऐसे पहले थे. We were like means I was means ऐसे था past tense. But I were, if I were the child, that means I am imagining. I'm not saying that what happened in the past, but I'm saying that if I am a child now, but not I am not that so small child now, but if I am a small child now, I will feel excited and try to fly the kite higher. If I wear the kite, यानी मैं पतंग नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अगर मैं पतंग होती, if I am a kite, I would soar higher and dance with the wind. So what I will do? I will fly high in the wind. So these are the imagination. When we are saying about imagination, we are saying I were, I were. I was means ऐसा था, past tense. यहाँ पे past tense का नहीं है, यहाँ पे imagine कर रहे हैं. ऐसा होता तो imaginary situations है. यानी कि हम अभी छोटे बच्चे नहीं हैं, और दूसरा में हम पतंग नहीं है, लेकिन अगर हम पतंग होते तो हम क्या करते? Okay. Now let's start the poem. This poem is written by Daphne Lister. She is a British poet. Okay, she's a British poet, and she has written this poem for the small children. Up in the air, see the kites fly like colored birds in the wind-whipped sky. Now, please understand this. We will see the meaning of the lines. The kites fly. So, where is the kite flying? Kite is flying up in the air. बहुत ऊपर ऊपर उड़ रहा है. क्या उड़ रहा है? पतंग ऊपर उड़ रहा है. The kite is flying high in the air. Means we are standing down on the ground and then we are flying the kite, है ना, हम नीचे खड़े होके पतंग उड़ाते हैं, तो पतंग कहाँ उड़ रहा है? हवा में उड़ रहा है, ऊपर उड़ रहा है. Up in the air the kite is flying. See the kites fly like colored birds. Now how is it looking? You see the kites are of different colors. अलग अलग रंग के हम लोग पतंग बनाते हैं. वो हवा में उड़ता है तो क्या है, अलग अलग रंग की चिड़िया जैसे हमें दिख रहा है. दूर से हम देख रहे थे, हमको कैसा लग रहा है? हमको ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो चिड़ियाएं उड़ रहे हैं. हाँ, चिड़िया. तो birds are of different colors. When all these kites are flying up in the air with different colors, we feel, when we are standing down, we will feel that the birds are flying of different colored birds. You see here, green is there, red is there, blue, violet, yellow. So by seeing this, we can think that these are kites are of different birds. These are different birds flying up in the sky. In the wind whipped sky, what does it mean? whip मतलब क्या होता है? ये हम लोग कोड़ा होता है ना, कोड़े से मारते हैं. So whipped, the wind whipped, that means ये क्या, the wind is not coming automatically. He is saying that the wind is whipping the sky. It is making this, we are beating and making the wind. Okay, the आसमान में कोड़े बरसा रहे हैं और उससे क्या होता है, हवा बन रहा है. So the poet is saying that the kites are up in the sky and they are looking like beautiful colored birds. And with the whipping of the air, it is creating big wind, strong wind. Okay, it is creating strong wind. By whipping, it is making strong wind. I wish I were small. See again here, I wish I were small and light as air. आई विश आई वर स्मॉल मतलब क्या है? मैं फिर से इमेजिन कर हम लोग इमेजिन कर रहे हैं कि मैं बहुत छोटी होती. एंड लाइट एस एयर, लाइट एस एयर मीन्स weightless. I should be weightless. So the child is thinking that I wish I were small. मैं बहुत छोटी हो जाती और मैं बहुत हल्की भी हो जाती. I am light as air. That means weightless. I would climb on a kite and sail up there. Why the child is wishing to be small and light? Because she want to climb on a kite. You know, kites are made of paper. Kites are made of paper. What will happen if you will just stand over it? It will tear, isn't it? It will tear. But here she is wishing that she should be small and she should be light so that she can climb on the kite and she can fly in the sky and sail up there. Sail up there means she can fly in the air. How she will fly? If only she is very small and if she is weightless, then she can fly. Then I would drift upon the paper wings and hear the songs that the wild wind sings. Then I would drift upon the paper wings. That means I will fly up. I will fly up with the paper wings. पतंग के जो पंख जैसे होते हैं ना, पतंग पेपर से बनता है, पतंग पेपर से बनता है, कागज से बनता है. उसके जैसे चिड़िया, हाउ द बर्ड इज फ्लाइंग, it is having wings. Similarly, the kite is flying with the paper wings. So she is saying that I would drift upon the paper wings. She will also go with the paper wings up in the sky and hear the songs that the wild wind sings. Now here you see, and hear the song. She will hear the song. Which song? The wild wing sings. That is, हवा तेज से चलता है तो क्या होता है, एक साउंड आता है ना, आवाज आता है. हमको मालूम है, जैसे पेपर उड़ाता है तो पेपर उड़ाने का आवाज आता है, पतंग उड़ता है तो एक आवाज आता है ना. तो दैट सॉन्ग, शी इज सेइंग दैट इट इज अ सॉन्ग, वो गाना है. तो वो गाना है वाइल्ड विंड सॉन्ग. मतलब अब मान लो जो लिरिक्स सब सब जमा करके जो गाना गाते हैं, फिल्मी सॉन्ग है, ऐसा नहीं. ऐसे कुछ भी गुनगुनाते हैं, कुछ भी आवाज से कुछ भी म्यूजिक बना लेते हैं, उसको बोल रहे हैं वाइल्ड सॉन्ग. So she is saying that if she is going up in the air, what she can hear? She can hear the song of the wind. हवा का गाना सुनेंगे. सो दिस इज ए पर्सोनिफिकेशन. गाना कौन गाता है? हम लोग इंसान लोग गाना गाते हैं ना. तो ह्यूमंस आर सिंगिंग. हियर शी इज सेइंग दैट द विंड इज सिंगिंग. सो दिस इज पर्सोनिफिकेशन. वो पर्सोनिफिकेशन है, क्योंकि वो हवा तो गाना नहीं गाता है, लेकिन हवा का जो आवाज आ रहा है, हवा से जो आवाज आ रहा है, जो उड़ रहा है, पेपर उड़ रहा है तो पतंग उड़ रहा है, उससे जो आवाज आ रहा है उसको हमारा इंसान, हम जो इंसान लोग गाना गाते हैं उसके साथ कंपेयर किया है. इसलिए बोल रहे हैं एंड हियर द, इसलिए बोल रहे हैं एंड हियर द सॉन्ग्स दैट द वाइल्ड विंड सिंग. क्या बोल रहे हैं फिर से देखो. Then I would drift upon the paper wings. She will go up with the paper wings of the kite and hear the song. There the kite will be moving in the strong wind, and when the strong wind, this kite will be moving, the paper will be making sound, and that sound, she is saying, that will be the song of the wind. What fun it would be to look right down over the park and the rooftops of town. Now you see, the child is saying that what fun it would be to look right down. She is imagining, where is she now? She is up in the sky with the kite. So when she is up in the sky with the kite, from there when she will look down, what she can see? She can see the town, isn't it? So she is saying, what fun it would be. कितना मजा आएगा ऊपर से नीचे देखना. To look right down means ऊपर पतंग में बैठी है वो, तो बैठेगी तो वहां से नीचे देखेगी. What she will see? Over the park and the rooftops of town. पार्क, नीचे का पार्क दिखेगा और दूसरे घरों का छत दिखेगा, छत के ऊपर का भाग दिखेगा. The child will be seeing the park from there and also the rooftop. That is, houses will be there. The top of the roof she can see from the sky. The people below would stand and stare and wish they were me, high, high in the air. Now she is saying that the people below would stand and stare. Where is she now? She's up in the sky. She is on the kite. She is flying like a bird. From there, when she will look down, what she will see? She will see the park and the roof of the houses. Now, the other people who are standing down, they will see the people below would stand and look at her and wish they were me. Who is this they? The people standing below. They will wish that they were me. Me means the child who is sitting on the kite. They will also see, when we will see a child flying in the sky, we will also wish to fly in the sky, isn't it? So she is saying that when the people will see from below that I am flying in the sky, they will also wish that they will fly like me. High, high in the air. High in the air means very high. People would like to go very high in the sky. So in this stanza, we can know that she would be amused to see, happy to see the reactions of the people watching from below. They all will be from below looking upwards, and they will be seeing she flying in the sky, high in the sky. So this is what the poem is. That is, this is the wish of a child. She want to fly like a kite high up in the sky, and for that what she is wishing, she should be very small and weightless. Then she can go with the kite, go up in the air. From there she can see the world below, and the people standing down can see the girl up in the sky, and they will wish that they will also fly like her. I hope you have understood this explanation of this lesson. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.